Get angry. Yes. Get it out. Come on. Come on.
Welcome to Bali Pro Camp Part 2. It is officially day 3, leg day, the final day before we have a rest tomorrow. Today we've lost a few members of the team to illness and injury, so a few people will not make it to legs, which is the bad news. The good news is that I get to now control the leg session for the 3 of us. So it'll be me, Jordan, Big Jordan, probably the biggest guy here, Jordan, and Cade. So very, very excited for that. Jordan has a few injuries to deal with. Cade just wants to send it like the young buck that he is. So send it we will, but send it sensibly as always. I've also been tasked with the job of doing the pep talk. So every session we've jumped in and we've done a pep talk. Someone has spoken in front of the group, which is always quite scary. But today, apparently, it's my job to do so. So, as with anything, in front of a group of strangers, given a load of people who are probably more qualified than you to give a pep talk for a leg session, I feel a little bit nervous about that one, but it's fine. I'll handle it. I have some ideas about what to say. If it was my choice, I'd have some cards to go through, but I'm not going to prep that much. Anyway, it's time to head off to the gym, so back to Elite Fit Bali. I'm going to try and not get too much dust in my eyes on the way. So hopefully the next scene will be me at the gym, safely, maybe even giving a pep talk. But let's get stuck into leg day, day 3, and Bali Pro Camp vlog, part 2. Close up, straight into my brain. Are we all in?
Everyone in?
Yeah, just small. Morgan cow.
Okay, so I feel like today we've all gone another level deeper with each other. I definitely feel that. Does everyone else feel that?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Well, I also know from today that there's quite a lot of self-doubt in this room sometimes. You know, should we be here? Should we be here on our journeys? Well, now is the perfect time to show exactly why the fuck you are here, okay? Leg day is where we throw down. I don't want to see any dry t-shirts from any guys in here. I want to hear more grunts from the girls. Let's fucking show exactly what we're doing here, yeah? Let's go, it's fucking leg day.
Let's go!
3, 2, 1,
Good, come on. And again. Yes.
Get down.
Come on. Good. And again, Kate. Yes, that's it. Come on. And again. Come on.
Let's go.
Get up. Again. Let's go. Come on. And again, come on. Yes. Come on. Still fucking moving, let's go. Get up. Get up. Go. Come on, kid. Why are you fucking here? Let's go. Go. And again. So go. 14 weights. Go. Ready. Up. Yes. Go. Let's go. Come on. Up. Yes. Yes. Come on.
Best legs on stage.
Come on. Down, down, down. Pause. Go. Come on. Get up. Good. One more. Go on this. Go on this spot. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Good job. Big. Let's go. One more.
Get angry. Yes. Get it out. Come on. Come on. Yes. Come on. That's all you. Come on. You got it. Jordan's got you. Come on. Drive. Well, help us. That's it. You got it.
You don't have that app with like clipboards? Action.
Right. There we go, that's day 3. That's day 3 of the program. done leg day, which obviously you just saw. So I took the boys through kind of a my style leg session. I don't know what they do too much. Jordan obviously some lower back issues, but we did obviously started with calves, ankle mobility and calf gains, so my calves are tiny. Then moved into adductors, 2 sets, took all that failure with length and partials. That's going to have tomorrow. Third up was line leg curl, 3 sets, 1 high rep, and then 2 like mid reps, so 10s, 15s. Great hammies on K, by the way. Just a fantastic set of legs actually. Really impressive for a young guy. He's 23. Following that, we did leg extensions. Awful leg extension machine. Arsenal strength leg extension is terrible. No resistance at the bottom, resistance at the top, and a terrible range of motion. So we did 1 set to failure, and then a rest pause on top of that. 10 seconds breaths, and then into another 10 reps. We then went into the meat and potatoes. You know, I'm talking about the pendulum. 1 set, 10 to 15. I think I got 80 kilos for 10. But unfortunately, I was feeling the lower back go a little bit. We did bent over rows yesterday, not my idea. So understandable. And then leg press, where obviously I showed who's boss, which is me. So 9 plates aside, I think there's 12 or 13 reps with proper depth. You saw the depth, man. Legit depth. But yeah, fantastic session. Glad to kind of get legs out of the way, if I'm honest. But also very grateful to have, you know, people to go through legs with, because legs is definitely one of the ones where you can take it an extra level. And I must say, the theme for today has been gratitude. We had a chat, like a talk earlier where we all spoke, we all shared some. It sounds a bit fucking woo-woo, but Hattie Boyle, who's like WPFF Pro and now FMG Pro or FMC Pro, just asked us to do a bit of a gratitude exercise, which we all did, which was really amazing to it. We all shared some quite deep stuff actually, which was really nice. And you'll be able to see all this, by the way, in more detail on Jackson's YouTube, so I would go and follow that for sure. But that was incredible. You know, it was really, really nice for everyone to sit and share. You know, surprise, surprise, everyone has a bit of imposter syndrome. Surprise, surprise, everyone has a bit of lack of clarity at times. Surprise, surprise, just because people have that pro athlete, IFBB pro tag, it really doesn't stand for an awful lot for many people. I think others are a lot more, assured in what they do, but still, everyone just feels very emotional about this thing that we call ours. This thing that we love and are passionate about, and I get that completely. I felt the same, and to share my gratitude for this week. There was 2 of them, but the first one was just that I'm so grateful just to actually have a passion. Because I know that a lot of people, they don't have something that fucking gets them out of bed in the morning, or they feel passionate about, or they feel something deep inside them when they do it, and I think that's a shame, and I just wish that those people, and I hope those people find something to be excited about, to be passionate about. Because I think that's what life's about, right? So we'll wrap this one up here. Tomorrow is actually water park day, so I'm not going to promise any footage from that. You have to get on Jackson's YouTube for that, because I will be taking the camera to the water park. Will you be taking the camera to the water park?
Who?
You?
Yeah, probably.
Wow, okay, so you have to go to Jackson's YouTube, because Jayden will be covering the water park. So if you want to see a bunch of oversized people at the water park, then head over to Jackson's YouTube at some point. Go and subscribe, because it's going to be a movie this week, man, big time. That's it for me. I'm going to sign out day 2. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Leg day at Bali Pro Camp. Peace out. Subscribe, comment, like, ask any questions.